two other girls side by side from about 10 feet apart. That's not how fights happen.
Seemed like it was just kind of organized.
Absolutely. But he stopped. He raised his hand at one point, and they all stopped.
Well, and unfortunately, you know, with how many cops, like we were really working tonight, this whole weekend. We only have 9 bike cops, but it's like when we can't be on top of places like that, like you kind of see what just happens, and because everyone, they look around, right? Hey, there's no cops here. Hey, let's do whatever we want, you know. And it's like we're hurting right now. It's like we can't be everywhere at once, and we're just kind of always behind the 8 ball now. But yeah, no, that was a good clip though. It's interesting for sure.
Another clue was there were a lot of people before the fight started. Everybody had formed a circle, and there's mostly guys with their phones up before the fight even started. And you can see that in the first couple seconds. You can see them approaching. And the fight had started, and everybody was already recording. don't know. You want to check it out? That'd be something. Can't tell. The only way we're gonna tell is when we